What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, my friend Caius will rebuild his PC and he will take over his channel starting now.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Omara channel. Today we have an ITX PC build that I use for editing. My name is Caius and I worked with Omar before, in Miri. So today we have my ITX PC build that is very small. See, this is the box, this is the motherboard box. Kecil. I'm rebuilding this PC today sebabnya pun motherboard si ngam because mun motherboard tu nyaput Asrock H310CM ITX. Aku pakai processor i9, so yang akan bottleneck processor tu because this processor is very high end and yang pun VRM akan overheat. Okay, so this PC specs today is an i9 9900 non-K. Then we have a GTX 1660 Super from MSI. Also, we have a 1TB Seagate hard drive, then a 250 Gigabyte SSD storage from Intel. Then it's powered by a 500-watt platinum power supply by Delta 1U. Lastly, we have a cooler by Noctua here, and we're changing the cooler to this cooler called a Black Ridge. It's very hard to get, it's from the UK. So after this Black Ridge cooler, we have the new motherboard, which is from Aorus Z390 Aorus Pro Wi-Fi. This motherboard comes with a 6+2-phase digital PRM power solution, which should support the i9 properly. Okay, I think that's it. Then we'll carry on with the build. And so we're done. This is the final PC rebuild, and thank you for watching. I hope you like the B-roll after this. Let's go.